We'll take a few minutes to take a look at Google Drive. So I'm going to go, there's a couple different ways I can get into Google Drive. One is right here in my email. I can go to the waffle and go to Drive right here. Or if I'm at google.com, here's the waffle as well, and I can access my Drive that way. Either way is fine. So Google Drive is cloud-based storage. So think of all those flash drives that you have in your desk. This is the same premise, except I don't have to worry about counting and finding flash drives. It's all right here in the cloud, and I can access it anywhere that has internet access. I can log on to a Windows-based machine, a Chromebook, a Mac. It doesn't matter as long as it has the internet and I remember my Google logon. Google Drive functions similar to Dropbox and other cloud storage spaces. It will hold any type of file, not just a Google file. So if we were to go looking through here, you would see PDFs, you would see photos, you would see videos, you would see Word documents. Google doesn't care what type of format it is. It will just hold it for me until I need it again.